Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming property for sale. It is located in Williamsfield, Manchester. It features a spacious four-bedroom, two-bathroom main house, offering ample space and comfort for family living. The layout includes a spacious living room, perfect for entertaining, kitchen, double garage, a veranda, from where you have a lovely view of the surroundings. Downstairs, you will find a self contained one bedroom apartment, ideal for guests, extended family, or as a rental unit. Outside the property boasts a gazebo and beautifully landscaped yard with a land size of 0.39 acres and perfect for relaxing or hosting outdoor gatherings. The gazebo is complemented by a tranquil fish pond, adding a serene touch to the outdoor space. For those in need of a cozy home and a peaceful outdoor retreat, this home is for you. Call to schedule your viewing appointment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $222.5 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.